This is Spanish moss or usnea. Like a lot of people would know it as Spanish moss or old man's beard. Okay, we pick it here in Florida. It grows wild. 1 ounce of this stuff is about $40. So it's very expensive. Once that's done, you take this and you take the strainer and pour all that green goodness right out into it. Then you take your French press, press this down, because then that will filter, give a final filter. Then what you do is you just filter this one more time, getting all that beautiful green goodness. Okay, and this is making like what you call as a tea. You're making tea out of it, you know, as for lack of a better word, it's tea. Okay, we do decaf a lot. I like caffeinated in the morning, but decaf is really good for at night. You take like a couple of these bags of pomegranate, okay, and same thing again, just tug it off, make sure the staple stays in it, and then pour your mixture back in, and you get all of that good pomegranate flavoring in there. Then you just take this, once again, plunge it down a little bit, and then take it, set it over, and let it steep for about 20 minutes. Okay, it is the strongest antiviral on the planet. The Spanish called it the miracle herb. They used to take it with them everywhere they went, okay? It's just something that's being rediscovered. We actually have a situation where we treated a kid locally. He has, in his family, common brain cancer and testicular cancer. Testicle. Okay? And the cancer runs in the family. And he was urinating blood for 3 years and had headaches for more than a year that were starting, okay? We gave him this usnea, and then after a week of treating him with this, the testicles receded, and now he's 100%. He no longer urinates blood. He no longer has any headaches. He's 100%.